One of the skills that helps us complete our design faster is making it responsive. Here, we'll learn how to make our product card responsive. To make our card responsive, we first need to arrange the layout horizontally. Then, we place the product details vertically under each other, and finally, we position the details alongside the product image in a horizontal layout. One of the skills you should master and strengthen is the auto layout skill. In this section, we arrange all the items using auto layout, which not only speeds up our work, but also makes it look more professional. Here, we select all the items and set the width to fill container for both the items and their parent containers. In this section, we choose the parent items and set the minimum width to 285. Now, we select the card, choose Wrap, and set the minimum width to 317. And as you can see, we now have a fully responsive product card.